So, welcome back. I know I've not been on the channel for a while. My sister's son passed away over the last month, and unfortunately he passed away in the Philippines. He was only 36, so the whole family's had to deal with that, and to be honest with you, I just haven't really been able to go out. I couldn't be bothered, just not getting into it. So I thought today I'll make a start, get out, and I've come to the Mare's Falls, not the one in Scotland, the one in Wales, which is just in Llanrwst here. Grey Mare's Tail, that's what it's called. Yeah, it's like a double waterfall. It looks really nice. It would have been fantastic if we'd had a lot more water here and a bit more of a river, but I think I'll come back again in the autumn and shoot this with a lot more water and some autumnal colours. Would be really nice over here. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up for a wide shot at probably 1/3 of a second, and I'll probably have a tall shot as well going up. So they'll be my first shots, and then just have a look for a few other things. I've not been here before. I did start walking further on the other end, and I thought, I got a feeling it's not going to be over here, and I came down to the road just where you cross over to go to the car park, and it's literally just down here, and you come down these steep steps here, which I'm not looking forward to going back up. But I think the main road's just down here, and I think there's a parking place for maybe 1 or 2 cars at the bottom there, and you can just walk straight up. But it's easy to get to anyway. So I'm going to set up these shots. I'm thinking of a wide. I've got no sky in this, just a lot of lush green colours. A horizontal shot and a vertical shot to start with, I think. Right then, so the first shot, a horizontal shot and a vertical shot. I'm not using any filters here. I'm at f22, and it's giving me a 1/3 of a second shutter speed on this shot. So what I've got on the vertical shot, the horizontal shot, I've tried to get the rocks in the bottom here, not too much of the rocks, just the ones that are sort of nice in the foreground. You've got the green bushes here on the side that really pop. Got some nice jagged rocks at the top here, and yeah, the fall's just coming down nicely. It is a nice waterfall, and I can imagine it at full flow would be wow. So yeah, I'm gonna go a little further in there, get a couple of shots from there, and try and find a different angle. And in the meantime, I'll pop these 2 shots up now. So come a bit closer to the falls over here. Once again, I'm trying to get a shot, like a horizontal shot, more from the side there, looking across there. What I've done is I've shot like a number of shots horizontal so I can get it all in. So I'll stitch them together and see if that works, because I was missing the top of the waterfall. I wanted the top to come into the frame. Got some nice vertical shots of this as well. Got a rock here right in the middle of the pool. That acts as a nice foreground over there. There's this nice rusty colour on the bottom of the water there. Yeah, looks really nice. Once again, 1/3 of a second. Got a high ISO 100 f/22. No filters on this. So yeah, once again, I've gone really low with the tripod, so I'm sort of looking up at the falls, so it's more in your face, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I think that's all I can do. I might go back behind over here and get a shot from the top there, see if there's another angle on this. But yeah, I'll put these images up now. Right, I've just come a bit further back from the falls, and I've come into this dark area here, but I'm right under the tree. What I was thinking of here is going really low with the tripod, right to the ground there. So I'm looking up at the waterfalls, but this canopy of leaves right in the foreground here would be nice if I can just frame it with the waterfalls in the background. On the edge of the frame you've got this big log tree here that's sort of come down on the edge. This lump of moss, like a mossy bushy hill there, little cascades underneath it, really nice. And yeah, I think another broken down tree here on the edge. So as low as possible, I think there's a shot here that could be really nice. And then I'll take a final shot a bit above here and see what we can get from there of these falls. So I've also come just a bit up from the bottom there, and just took a side image looking this way. Yeah, I might take a vertical shot from here as well with just one of the falls. We'll just experiment around and see what I get. So I've had, for the final shots here, I've had one at the bottom there where I've used the canopy. It's a nice wide shot, and over here I've come up a little bit, got a dead tree going down the side there on an angle. You've got a bit of this path, I think, and yeah, just a nice wide shot. And I'll try some vertical shots, and this will be the final shots from here this afternoon. So I think that's it for this vlog at Grey Mare Tales in Llanrwst. It's been interesting coming here, not been here before. Pretty straightforward to find if you just go straight across from the car park across there and just listen for the sound of the waterfall and follow the path down. So yeah, I think that's it from this location. I'm definitely going to come back in the autumn when we've had really heavy rainfall, when this river is flowing and it's just coming down there wild. I think that'll be good with the autumnal colours. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.